Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 15 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn the rule of Izhar-e Shafawi. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Izhar-e Shafawi rule in an Arabic accent, what is Mim Sakin, what is Hunna or nasalization, how we pronounce the Izhar-e Shafawi rule in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this lesson. What is Izhar-e Shafawi? Izhar-e Shafawi is the third case of Mim Sakin. Izhar-e Shafawi is the third case of Mim Sakin. If any letter other than Ba or Mim comes after Mim Sakin, then Izhar-e Shafawi is done within the Mim Sakin. That is, Hunna is not done. I repeat, if any letter other than Ba or Mim comes after a Mim Sakin, then Izhar-e Shafawi is done within the Mim Sakin, that is, Hunna is not done. What is Mim Sakin and what is Hunna we will learn in this lesson as well. What is Mim Sakin? The letter Mim Sakin can be written as like this or like this. Any letter which has this sign is called Jazm sign or Sakin sign. That letter is called Sakin letter. Here Mim is Sakin because it has Jazm sign on it. What is Hunna or nasalization? Hunna means taking the sound into the nose. How we pronounce the Izhar-e Shafawi in an Arabic accent? Here this is the example of Izhar-e Shafawi because the letter Ta is comes after Mim Sakin. Here Mim is Sakin because Mim has Jazm sign or Sakin sign on it. According to the Izhar-e Shafawi rule, a letter other than Ba and Mim comes after Mim Sakin, then Izhar-e Shafawi is done and Hunna will not be done. How we pronounce the Izhar-e Shafawi in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the Izhar-e Shafawi rule without nasalization or Hunna. Let's learn with spelling. Hamza Zabar A, Lam Mim Zabar Lam, Alam Ta Zabar Ta, Alam Ta, Ra Zabar Ra, Alam Tara, Alam Tara, Alam Tara. We pronounce the Izhar-e Shafawi without Hunna or without nasalization. We do not take our sound into the nose. Alam Tara. This is the example of Izhar-e Shafawi. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of Izhar-e Shafawi. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.